Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to configure your Eclipse project for Apache POI. Apache POI is a library which is used for what purpose? Communicating with Excel file. Why we are going to communicate with the Excel file? For data driven testing. What is data driven testing? What is data driven testing? So data driven testing, it is a testing in which we repeat the same steps. Okay, we repeat the same steps, repeating same steps with different set of data. Suppose I want to check login process with the 10 users. Means 10 username and 10 password. 10 username and 10 password. So steps are enter username, enter password, click on login button. These are three steps. And I need to follow these three steps how many times? 10 times. Okay. So this is actually data driven testing. Data driven testing. Okay. Now, suppose I have one test script. Okay. And I want to do data driven testing. So my source of data will be external. My source of data will be external. So we are going to have external source of data. We are going to have external source of data. Now that external source of data can be Excel sheet, it can be database, it can be CSV file, CSV file, etc. Okay. Now, so our test script is going to communicate with the Excel file. You know that, okay, my test script will be in the Java and Microsoft Office is developing different technology. Suppose it is .NET. So two different technology, how they are going to communicate. So we need a mediator. We need a mediator. In our case, if you want to communicate with the Excel file, so the mediator is Apache POI. So in our case, our test script is going to communicate with the Excel file. So we are going to have one mediator. That mediator name is what? Apache POI. Okay. Apache POI is for what purpose? For communicating with only and only Excel file, not any other thing. For database, it is OJDBC. For CSV file, it's Open CSV, something like this. Okay. So we understood why we need this Apache POI. Apache POI is needed for doing data driven testing using Excel file as a external source of data. Okay, everyone. So let's see from where we can download Apache POI and how to configure your Eclipse project for Apache POI. So I will open Firefox or any browser as per your interest. And here I'm going on Google. And I will look for Apache POI download. See, very firstly, if you go little down, there is a binary distribution and there is a source distribution. Binary and source distribution, there is a two distribution. If you are interested in source code, then you will be downloading from source distribution. And if you are interested in actual API libraries, then you are going to download from binary distribution. And there is a .tar and .zip. .tar is for Linux system or Mac. .zip is for all system including Windows. So if you click on this, it will be asking to choose the server. So this is my server. You can choose any server. If you click, downloading will start. Zip file you are going to have. Okay. Now, if you download the zip file, you need to unzip it and you can keep anywhere in your computer. Okay. I have already downloaded it and I saved inside cell jars. Okay. It's already unzipped. Where it is? See here. It is unzipped. This is zip one and this is what unzip one. Okay. And if you go inside Apache Poi, you will find these are some jars, and inside XML also there are some jars, and inside lib also there are some jars. These all jars need to be attached in your Eclipse project. Okay. Now suppose you make a new project, new Java project. Project name you can give anything. Suppose I given D and click on finish. And I need to add those jars to my this project D. So how to do? I need to go inside external jar. So how to add it? Let's see. I will right click here on project like this. And if you do, you will find properties. Inside properties, you will find Java build path. Inside Java build path, you need to go inside libraries. Inside libraries, you will find add external jar. So using this add external jar, I am going to add the POI libraries. I will click on add external jar and I will move to the place where I kept my POI libraries. On desktop, there is a cell jars as a folder. Where is cell jars? Inside this, there is Apache POI bin. Inside this, if you go there, these are the, I can say, jars available. Control click you can do, or control select like this you can do. Okay, and click on open. Add external jar once more. Inside XML, select these three jars and again click on add external jar. Go one step back. See POI, and inside libs there are some jars. Select everyone. Click on open. Fine. Click on apply and close. My project is configured for Apache POI now. How will you confirm that? In the reference library, if you click on this arrow will go down. See, these are jars which is attached to my project. Okay, everyone. So we have seen how to configure your Eclipse project for Apache POI. This much is for this video, everyone. In the next video, we'll see how to read from Excel file. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day. Bye and take care.